Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Insurance claim, today's last problem. This problem is taken from Pankaj Publications, problem number 8 it is. Anyway, the problem will be given on the desktop. Let me introduce what is this problem. In this problem, we are going to prepare debtors account. In another problem, we may need to open creditors account also. Why to open the debtors account? Information is given related to the debtors, but sales were not given. Then we have to open the debtors account to find out the sales, credit sales. Okay. In the same way, sometimes information related to creditors are given, but purchases were not given. Then we need to open the creditors account also to find out the credit purchases. So this is the new item of this problem. You are opening the debtors account as per the information. First, see the problem. It is given on the desktop. Note down, or you can take a screenshot. Let me explain the problem first. Then after that, we'll go for the solution. So this is the problem. Eighth problem from Pankaj Publication, R.P. Trivedi. A fire broke out in the warehouse of Crown Stores Limited on 30th September 2003. The company desires to file a claim with the insurance company for the loss of stock and gives you the following information to enable you to prepare statement showing the amount to be claimed. The last accounts of the company were prepared on 31st December 2002. What is the information given to us in a table? Sundry debtors opening balance, closing balance. Debtors opening balance, closing balance is given. Whenever debtors values are given, please check out sales are given or not. Sales are given? No. It means we have to open the debtors account to find out the sales. Okay. So debtors opening balance 40,000, closing balance 30,000. And the stock 15,000. This is opening stock. And the cash received from debtors 1,44,000 related to the debtors account. Purchases 1,25,000. And after that, rate of gross profit to rate of gross profit to cost of sales 25%. Rate of gross profit to cost of sales is 25%. Means this is useful to calculate the gross profit. Okay, to calculate the gross profit, it will be useful. So in working notes, I'll show you how we have to prepare. Now first let us focus on the debtors account. After debtors account, we'll do the working notes, then memorandum trading account. Now here, first debtors account. How do you open debtors account? Do you remember? Opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. Okay. And if anything received from debtors will be written on the credit side, and the balancing figure will be on the debit side, that is credit sale. Okay. Now here in this problem, first opening debtors are 40,000. Opening debtors will be always debit side. One more important thing, remember, whenever you are opening any asset account, opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side. In the same way, if you are opening any liability account, like maybe creditors account, capital account, any liability account, opening balance credit, closing balance debit. Asset account, opening balance debit, closing balance credit. Okay, because all the assets will be on the debit side. So that is why opening balance will be on the debit side. Now here opening balance of the debtors is first debtors account we are opening. Opening balance of debtors are 40,000. What do you say? To balance brought down. Opening balance always debit side. To balance brought down. How much we received? 40,000. Then closing balance will write later 30,000. Stock on 31st December 2002 means that's opening stock. We'll see later. Opening stock comes in memorandum of trading. Or shall we write simultaneously? Yes. To opening stock. Opening stock is here 15,000. Next, cash received from debtors. Whenever you are receiving cash from debtors, cash account, debtor to debtors account. Debit what comes in? Credit the giver, right? Cash account debtor to debtors account. This is the entry. Debtors is crediting. Crediting means here credit side you'll write by cash. Okay. So this is by cash account. How much we have received from the debtors? 1,44,000. And we'll write the closing balance by balance carried down. Balance carried down. How much it is? 30,000. 30,000 credit side. Nothing else to write. Most of the time opening balance, closing balance and cash received from debtors. 3 entries you'll find. This we have written. Now to close it, you'll be getting this is 1,73,000. 1,73,000 minus 43,000. So this is the cash. So that is credit sales. Okay. So this is credit sales. Anything else is given in the problem? Let's check it out. No, 1,44,000. Yes. Okay. So credit sales. This is 1,73,000 minus 140,000. It comes to 1,33,000. 1,33,000. What it is? Credit sales. So this is balancing figure. Once if you get the credit sales, do you find any cash sales? No. Means this is only the sales. Whether it's a credit or cash, whatever sales means, we can say 1,33,000 only. Okay. Now sales is we know. Now coming to this point, rate of gross profit to cost of sales 25% they are saying. Working notes will say calculation of gross profit with this ratio. Calculation of gross profit. Here rate of where it is, rate of gross profit to cost of sales is 25%. Rate of gross profit. If GP is 25%, then sales will be how much? Sales will be always profit is included, right? So GP is, if GP is 25%, sales percentage will be how much? 100 plus 25, because sales will be included always profit. So with this assumption, sales will be, we are saying 125%. GP is already given. GP is 25%, gross profit is 25%. Means sales, how do you get? Sales means this is the cost plus profit. Together it comes to 125. Now we know sales are how much? 1,33,000. When sales percentage is 125, for 125% sales, the value is 1,33,000. This calculation you need to be very careful. For sales of 1,25%, cost is 1,33,000. For gross profit is how much? For GP, GP means 25%. For 25% it is how much? We can calculate very easily. 1,33,000 into 25 by 125. Shall I explain you this calculation once again? They are saying that rate of gross profit to cost of sales is 25%. Rate of gross profit is 25%, they are saying. When they are saying 25%, means sales value will be how much? Sales means always cost plus GP, gross profit. Okay. So cost plus GP. Sales is 125. 125% sales, you know the value is 1,33,000 is the sales. For gross profit, how much? Gross profit means 25%, how much? So 1,33,000 into 25 by 125. We'll use the calculator. 1,33,000. Is it 1,33,000? 1,44,000. No, this is 1,44,000. It means 1,74,000. 1,34,000 it is. By mistake I wrote 33. So anyhow 1,34,000. How much it is? 1,34,000 into 25 divided by 125, which comes to 26,800. This is, what is this? GP, gross profit. Okay, shall we use another color? This is calculation of gross profit. So gross profit we got this much. Clear? Debtors account already we prepared. With the debtors account we got the credit sales. Sales we got it. GP we got it. Now let's finish the memorandum of trading account. For memorandum of trading account, what else is given to us? One is purchases. Purchases is 1,25,000. Purchases debit side to purchases. Purchases is 1,25,000. Sales is not given, but we have got it from the debtors account by sales. By sales is how much? 1,34,000. And gross profit we have calculated. Gross profit we can write it on the debit side. It is 26,800. 26,800. So this is gross profit. Let's check it out the problem. Anything else is left? We wrote opening stock, purchases already given, sales we got it from there, gross profit we got it from there, and that's it. We'll close the account. Now closing balance will be, closing balance or balancing figure will be the closing stock. By closing stock, this is the balancing figure. 1,40,000 plus 26,800. It is 1,66,800. 1,66,800 minus 1,34,000 comes to 32,800. Now goods destroyed by fire is this one only, because salvage value is not given, no second step, and policy value was not given, so we are not going to calculate the third step also. So goods destroyed by fire, ultimately we can write it here at the down. Goods destroyed by fire is same one, 32,800. Closing stock is the goods destroyed by fire. If salvage value was given, if policy value was given, then we would have gone first step, a second step, and also third step. Now it is not required. That's all. This is the problem. Am I clear? First take the screenshot. I'll give you a gist of the problem once again. In this problem nothing is new. Only the thing is debtors account you are opening. Whenever you find opening stock of debtors, closing stock of debtors, or opening stock of creditors, or closing stock of creditors, whenever such kind of information is given, you have to think why they have given this debtors and creditors amount. Because sales information is not given. Means you have to find out the sales by opening the debtors account. Am I clear? This is the new concept you have to learn. Now how do you open the debtors account? Opening balance debit side, closing balance credit side, and amount received from debtors credit side, because as per the journal entry credit side we have written, and balancing figure will be on the debit side, that is credit sales. If cash sales were given in the problem, we could have added cash sales and credit sales together, we could have added. Now right now cash sales are not given. If you want, you can write one step also here. Sales, total sales is equal to, if you want you can mention it, total sales is equal to cash sale, you can say credit sales plus cash sales. Like this you can mention. Now in this problem only credit sales we know that 1,34,000. Cash sales nil. So total sales are 1,34,000 only. You can mention it like this also. Am I clear about this topic? So like we opened this debtors account to find out the credit sales. Cash sales are not given. After that we opened memorandum of trading account. You know memorandum of trading account, opening stock and purchases, gross profit. Very careful, be careful this calculation. Sales are given. Now let me explain this gross profit. How do you got it gross profit? There's a 25% gross profit. 25% gross profit means what is the sales value? Sales will be always cost plus profit. Cost is 100, profit is 25. Means it is 125. We came to know that sales are 1,34,000. For 125%. 125% sales are 1,34,000. For 25% means for gross profit it is how much? Means 1,34,000 into 25 by 125. What you are going to find out, that will be on the upper portion and downside is this one. Like we came to know gross profit is this much, we have posted. Now balancing figure is the closing stock. Closing stock is the final value. Goods destroyed by fire is the same one, because salvage value is not given. If salvage value was given, then we would have gone for step number 2. Goods destroyed by fire is equal to closing stock minus salvage value. Right? Here it is not given. So this is the goods destroyed by fire. If insurance policy was given, then we would have gone for the third stage also. Right now, only stage number 1 is enough. We open the debtors account. This calculations, be careful. That's all. Rest of the problem is normal. With this insurance claim chapter, I have completed. You work out more problems. Take out your textbook. Try to work out more problems. Whatever I have done, I feel it is more than enough. But you practice more problems. Practice is much required. Got an idea? Any doubts? Write it in the comment box. So next what? Let me know. What should I teach you in the comment box only? Then I'll plan accordingly. Stay connected till that period. Don't forget to share these videos because everything is free of cost for you all. Okay, stay connected, practice well. Good luck.